Hello everyone, and welcome to our Topper Pack tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to use the wrapper link feature. First, let's visit the front page to check the current setup. As you can see, I haven't used a wrapper link on this image and this content box yet. There's currently no link applied. Now, let's add the wrapper link together. First, go to the Extensions panel and enable the wrapper link extension. Next, click Edit with Elementor. Select the section or element you want to make clickable, in this case, either the image or the content box. Click on the Advanced tab, and then open the wrapper link section. Enter your desired URL. For example, I'll use topperpack.com. Right now, I haven't configured the link attributes, so I'll enable the option to open the link in a new tab. After that, click Save to apply the changes. Now go back to the front page and scroll down. You'll see the wrapper link is now active. If I click on the image or the content box, it opens the linked website in a new tab, just as we set. That's how easy it is to use the wrapper link feature in the Topper Pack plugin. Thank you for watching.